2021 Polaris mid-size Ranger. We're going to add a switch in the dash for the winch right there. Problem is, if you're out riding and you get stuck and you need the winch, you got to get this out of the glove box and plug her in here. And usually that's jammed full of stuff if you're out riding. So we're going to add a switch right about there. Cut out in the dash for it. So let's get started. This is a relay for the winch, and we'll be tapping into the wire somewhere up in here, and the switch will be back in there. Bought this on Amazon. There's the part number, there's the switch, and there's a wiring diagram. Came with a bunch of jumpers. Now we're going to put the jumpers on. Pull the wire, make sure it's good and tight. This is what we got so far. I'll put some sealant on our connectors once we get them all connected. These are the wires going up to the switch. Tap into these for our new switch. Could put one of these on, just crimp it over there, and then plug your wire right in like that, but I prefer connect it like this. The other ones tend to fail on you. I like to cut the wire. I already got this loose, pop that out. And slip in the new wires. Make sure you have her straight up and down. There's that. There's where they come out, and we'll be hooking those two wires up there and then tying everything up, and last we'll be hooking the ground and the power up. Now we marked these earlier. So now we're complete. Got everything tied in. Make sure you tie your power in on the center terminal so it works with the key. And then we can either run the winch from here or from here. Like I said, there's the wiring diagram. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps you out. That darn Jenny should be happy now.